Action.
Welcome back, Brennan Bears. I'm Adrian.
And I'm Isaac, reporting from the BTV studio.
Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2019.
Before school started, Brennan held their second Meet the Bears in the auditorium. Many clubs and sports organizations were introduced. Take a look at some highlights.
Last week, freshmen, sophomores, and juniors took their yearbook photos. Faculty and staff also took part. If you missed out, makeup pictures will be October 4th. Take a look at some highlights.
Today through September 6th, administrators will visit the seniors in their government classes, with juniors in their English 3 classes, with sophomores in their chemistry and IPC classes.
Administrators will also visit with freshmen in their geography classes to present behavior and attendance expectations and several other important procedures.
Bears, make sure you have and are displaying your Brennan staff parking permit. Administrators and campus police will check the parking lots this week, especially the back lots. Cars without permits may be tagged with a warning sticker. Teachers, if you need a parking lot, please go see Ms. Castro in the front office.
Bears, mark your calendars for open house Thursday, September 19th from 6:15 p.m. to 8:35 p.m.
Homecoming dance is scheduled Saturday, September 14th in cafeteria from 8 to 11 p.m. Grade levels will nominate peers for the official ballot. QR codes to nominate are posted in the cafeteria and by the offices.
Cheerleaders will host their 10th annual Cheer Clinic Saturday, September 21st, beginning at 8:30 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. with a show for parents. The cost is $35, which includes a t-shirt, lunch, a ticket to the game, and also participation in a performance at the Taft game that evening. For more information, call Cynthia Farrell at 210-398-1365 or contact any Brennan cheerleader.
Finally, our Bears won the Peanut Butter Bowl and wrangled the Rattlers at 17-0 at Ferris Stadium Friday night. Take a look at some highlights.
Well, that's all we have for today. I'm Adrian.
And I'm Juicy Isaac, signing off from BTV. Have a fantastic day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.